Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. Cannabis archenemy Attorney General Jeff Sessions resigned this week at the request of President Trump. Now, if you'll recall, Sessions rescinded the Cole Memorandum and he initiated lifetime bans at the Canadian border for people that work in the cannabis industry. Now, it's hard to say at this point whether the acting AG, Matthew Whitaker, will be for or against cannabis legalization. Presumably, he will be focused on the Russian investigation and not legalization issues. We also got the results from the midterm elections this week, and Michigan became the 10th state to legalize adult use cannabis. Missouri and Utah both legalized medical marijuana, and North Dakota just said no to approving adult use cannabis. In New York, the state gained a Democratic majority, and so many believe that this will result in legalizing adult use cannabis in the state. Golden Leaf is merging with TerraTech after the company reported a net loss of $5.5 million in the third quarter. Revenues did climb to $5.1 million, but the value of its biological assets fell. High Times has extended its stock offering to the end of November. The company said it wanted to accommodate additional investors that have resulted from the ad campaign as a result of the iHeartRadio deal. The iconic magazine also updated the market on declines in its revenue, but it seems the company's expenses have fallen. Green Growth closed on another 30 million Canadian dollar raise, bringing the company's total raise so far to $140 million. Third quarter earnings have begun to roll in. Innovative Industrial Properties reported that its revenues climbed 150% to $3.9 million from the third quarter versus $1.6 million for the same time period last year. The company also delivered net income of $1.5 million or 21 cents per share, and IIPR said it would pay its sixth consecutive dividend. Insys Therapeutics delivered a quarterly loss of 37 cents per share. That missed the Zacks estimate for a loss of 20 cents a share. The company also delivered revenues of $18.35 million. That also fell short of the Zacks estimate by 18%. Insys is also thinking of selling its Subsys assets. Apria acquired German-based CC Pharma. Germany is the key to the company's international expansion. And Aurora Cannabis made a $20 million investment in the upscale chain called Choom. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square.